Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I have another SHEIN haul to share with you. There will be a link to the SHEIN website in the description box below. Check the cards out for a SHEIN playlist. First off, I want to jump right into the clothing items. I did pick up one new dress for spring and summer. It is a Colorblock dress and it is black and gray. I love it. I love how it looks. This is not the first dress I've picked up from SHEIN. Their plus size clothing in general, good quality, decent shipping, obviously decent prices. I also picked up a V-neck color shirt and they have these in several different colors. I chose the blue one this time. I will try to link everything in the description box below as well. And it's just a basic navy V-neck shirt. And I plan to pick up the purple one as well in the near future. And I also, to go along with the clothing items, I got a pair of sandals or flip-flops, whatever you prefer to call them. These are a nice like woven pattern on the sole, braided straps, a little bit of embellishment there. They do have foam bottoms. These were $7. I do remember the price of these. So decent quality for the price and really nice, and I thought these would go with several different of the dresses I already own as well. Are true to size. I got size 39 and it is a US 8. So the shoes are true to size. The only makeup-y item that I purchased this time was a concealer brush. It's an angled brush. The handles and the ferrules come in different colors, but overall super nice and soft. I don't plan on using this for concealer, but I'm going to use this for primer. I have a brush like this already, but it broke recently, so I wanted to pick this one up, and I'm so glad I did. It's densely packed, it's soft. It is flexible, and you just dip it in your pot of primer and press it into your pores. I have a whole video on that. I'm going to link it in the cards, so check that out. Go to wash it and we'll try it out. I picked up some hair accessories, and I've been really wanting some butterfly clips, and they have tons of butterfly clips on the website to choose from. They have really small ones. I wanted like more of like a medium small size. These are more soft muted neutrally shades here, but they are like the soft plastic as well. And then I picked up these really cute, these are creamy pastel ones, and these are slightly bigger than these butterflies, but just to pin the hair back, I recently got my hair cut. Really enjoying wearing my hair down again, so I'm happy with these purchases. And then I've been eyeing these for a while, and they are just hair ties with these gold hearts with like little rhinestones in them as well. Super duper cute. I wanted these because they match closer to my hair color. And then for fun, because I like wearing my hair in braids all the time, double braids or regular braid, so I thought this would be really cute at the tail end of the braid. And then I picked up the pastel-y ones as well. Super duper cute. So, I believe these are $1.50 each. I do remember, I believe, the price of these. And this time I picked up a few house items. I'll have to show a picture of this one. It's too big to show on camera, too big to show in the frame right now. But it's an Underbed Storage, and this was on sale, just as I expected it to be. I like that it has a clear window to see what you actually put into it, and it's gonna be a nice storage addition to under the bed. Okay, and then I picked up this little gadget here, and this was only 36 cents. So you hook it onto your clothing rack in your closet, and you can hang purses. It'll hold 4 purses, or camis. And I like the idea of the camis, or like muscle shirts, tank tops kind of thing, just hang it on the clip. I did order color C, which on the website looks like a lilac purple, but it is pink, so note that. And then last and final item I picked up from SHEIN was this scrubber like pad thing with a handle, and I've seen these on Temu as well, but I believe this was cheaper on SHEIN at the time, so I picked it up on SHEIN. And I think this is going to be perfect for scrubbing the tub out, and really easy, quick, with some cleaner. And I don't know how long this will last or how well it will hold up, but I'm excited to give it a try. So that's everything I got from SHEIN this time. Thank you guys so very much for watching. Stay tuned for more videos like this. Don't forget to check the description box as well as the cards for additional SHEIN links. Thank you so very much for watching.